Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka kinhun menteri ha kasni palai kalashim ya karai ka bakongsan ban Mynjur ya ka Meghalaya official languages ordinance 2008 bat ban wengno ya ka Meghalaya state language act 2000 san ya kani karai lashim halor karai jong ka assembly ka bapan ban penrung ya ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo ha ka khernit ka bapra jong ka riti sanchar kari halor kate kamat umintri rangba ke jila ukonrat sangma ula pentip bahapo ke hukum batmai ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo nalor ka Ktien paring kinlong ki Ktien Sorkar hapo ke jila lani ki official language da kane karai lapen bana ba onla ban pendon kam ya ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo ha ki jing ekren Sorkar shu lapen tip ba on sapen kelaru ya ka jingdon kam ha ki an ki bede kintop ya ka Meghalaya state legislature kataka Continuance of English Language Act 2000 pa prapo andala dep ya kini ki jingpen kala ki nong thau an kin la ban kren bat ya tainya ha ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo ha ki por shong dorbar ha assembly ringkat bak assembly ha ka Ktien nong wei ukonrat ula penshai bakani karai kan plelat ru ban pendon kam ya ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo ha ki examine ba peroper bat ong ba watla ki jingkala kin om tre kam mardor bat ka jingpen tre kam pat kan don kam ya kapor halor kani kamat ka Sorkar ka ngej skem ba katba dang yai beteng ban ya sat ban penrung ya ki Ktien ka jilla loong ba ka jilla ka dei ban shimshwa ya ki sen jam ki ba don kam ban a ya ka kerdan Sorkar ya baro artli ki Ktien halor kani ka Sorkar jilla kan pha ya ka khubor ka bating e sha ka Sorkar India bat kan penklan shu ya ki mukadduma na ka benta ban penrung ya ki ha ka khernit ka bapra
everyone and thank you for coming to this press briefing. Friends, as you are all aware that we had the cabinet meeting today and there were three formal items that were discussed in the cabinet today and decisions were made on three important issues. I'm very happy and very pleased to inform our citizens of the state that today the cabinet has made I should say historic and a very important decision which will impact the overall functioning as well as opportunities that will open up especially for the youth of our state and also help in promoting our languages. Today the cabinet has decided that the Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026 was passed and the Meghalaya State Language Act 2005 was repealed. Under the new Meghalaya Official Languages Ordinance 2026, the main point is that from now on, apart from English, Khasi and Garo language will also become official language of the state. With this very important and landmark decision, this will facilitate the process of allowing Khasi and Garo language to be used in most of the government communications and also in the due course of time. And when I say due course, I mean very, very shortly. Necessary amendments will be made to relevant acts, namely the Meghalaya State Legislature Continuance of English Language Act 1980. Once amended, will also enable our legislatures to speak in Khasi and Garo and debate in Khasi and Garo language apart from English, even during the assembly sessions. This decision will also pave the way for different important examinations also to be held apart from English in our own local languages, which is Garo and Khasi. This will of course not happen, everything will not happen immediately. The process will take some time. Certain decisions will be much more easier to implement immediately. Certain decisions will require logistical setups to be created, manpower to be employed, and different infrastructures to be created, rules to be created. But as I said, the decision today will allow all of these things to fall into place. This also is being done primarily because the resolution to include the Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule was taken by the Assembly. And our government felt very strongly that while we are demanding for 8th schedule, it is important that in our state itself, we must also take necessary steps to make both Khasi and Garo official, so that a stronger message can be sent to Government of India and the Parliament, and further pave the way for us to be able to expect that both Khasi and Garo language will be also included in the 8th schedule. So this is also one important step towards achieving that particular goal. Second was a minor amendment which was made in the Meghalaya Real Estate Regulation and Development General Rules 2020. Under this, there were certain provisions regarding the remuneration of the chairman and the members, which were not consistent with other agencies of the government of Meghalaya. And hence, to ensure that there is uniformity, we have changed the provisions and made it same and uniform as per other agencies, which is that remuneration will be normally based on last pay drawn minus pension. So earlier it was a set amount that was given to the chairman, and it was not consistent with other agencies and other boards, and hence we changed that and we put the same remuneration policy as per others, which is that the chairman will receive last pay minus pension. So it was just a simple amendment, remunerations uniform.